In today's episode, we're showcasing some of the most powerful affirmations to speed healing and rejuvenate the body, paired with music therapy that is modulating at 285 Hz, a frequency known to promote cellular repair, boost immunity, and alleviates pain. So, if you're ready, find a quiet space, close your eyes, and let's begin by letting the music vibrations and affirmations wash over your mind and body. As you repeat these positive statements, feel them as if they are already your reality, while allowing the music therapy to help you enter a state of deep relaxation and openness. Let's begin by repeating the following affirmations either out loud or in your mind. My body is capable of miraculous healing. Every cell vibrates with healing energy. Every breath I take brings more healing into my body. I am grateful for the healing that is happening within me. Each day, I am stronger, healthier, and more vibrant. My cells are regenerating and repairing themselves rapidly. Healing energy flows through me effortlessly. My body's natural state is vibrant health and wellness. My body responds positively to every healing thought I have. My body is a vessel of wellness, and it heals itself every day. For best results, repeat these affirmations for 21 days. The repetition will reprogram your mindset, making it easier to see and attract success and happiness. The more you incorporate affirmation therapy into your daily routine, the faster you'll attract the life you desire. A concept known as the law of attraction, where positive thoughts attract positive results. Thanks for listening. If you found this episode helpful, follow the show and share it with others who you think could use some affirmation therapy in their life. Also, don't forget to check out the show notes below for additional benefits of listening to music affirmation therapy and resources to help you achieve anything you desire. Until our next episode, I wish you good health, lots of wealth, and positive vibes.